Welcome back to my channel and welcome back for another video for this month of June. And for the month of June, I'll be doing some of the YouTube creators that's got collaboration with a makeup brand. And today's video, I'll be doing my first impressions and review on this eyeshadow palette from Jaclyn Hill, which is her Volume 2 eyeshadow palette in collaboration with Morphe. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So if you guys wanted to find out what my thoughts are, my first impressions on this Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette Volume 2 and how I come up with this makeup look in today's video, please keep on watching. Reading out the descriptions on the Morphe brushes website. It says Morphe x Jaclyn Hill palette Volume 2. When Jaclyn Hill goes big, she goes all the way. Our Morphe babe never have says something. It's extra to the extreme, just like her brand new dramatic AF palette. She's created 35 vivid shades to help you live your best life 24/7. These bossy brights won't break down, and that's just the way we like it. Ready for the ultimate glow? So this eyeshadow palette has a matte satin and shimmer shade. So the first row, certified matte pearl, I'm in it, satin cotton candy, love handles, matte peach cobbler, comfort zone, matte nutmeg, perfectionist, matte nectarine, ride or diamonds, shimmering rosy copper, thick skin, matte terracotta. Row number 2, no joke, a matte dandelion, Thalia shimmering gold leaf, feeling myself matte tangerine, homebody matte mahogany, GRWM get ready with me shimmering natural copper, Boji shimmering peach bellini, drama queen shimmering pink diamond. Row 3, flowed and ode shimmering marmalade, G money matte mustard seed, Positivity matte electric coral, my man matte neon orange, grateful matte clay brick, heart on matte strawberry, daiquiri, living my best matte cherry with pink sparkle. Okay, the fourth row, a moment shimmering lilac, therapy sesh matte orchid, lolly mama matte fuchsia, tipsy girl matte hot pink, empowered shimmering raspberry jam, next matte sangria, dance party matte fruit punch. Row 5, stay true matte berry, nut my journey matte amethyst with pink sparkle, good place satin purple tulip, Paolo shimmering fig, oh hello matte raspberry, crazy matte merlot, tempest glinting peach black. Eyeshadow palette from Jaclyn Hill, which is the collaboration with Morphe. So this is her palette Volume 2. So she's actually created 35 different shades eyeshadow colors. Color range that she actually picked, they're actually quite colorful. Just that I did, guys. As you can see, they're actually very pigmented when I did the swatches. Actually come in a good quality cardboard case, guys. The actual cover of the palette, on top you actually can see her message. So her message says, loving subscribers who have supported me all these years, this one's for you. You got a 12 months expiry date on this palette. So the good thing about this eyeshadow palette, the name are actually listed down below in each eyeshadow shades, which is a really great idea, and it's actually got an upgrade from her previous palette. The only thing that's lacking on this palette is the mirror. It will be really good if this is actually come in a mirror. Using her Morphe brushes also, which are really good, guys. They've actually got a very soft bristles too. So these are all the brushes that I actually purchased, guys, also. So I'll be using this today so you guys can see it. Purchased all this from morphebrushes.com. Palette in Australia, this is actually retail for $59 and US $39. Brush, which is the number 49. That's the brushes that it's actually come as spoolie at the end. So the Maybelline Ultra Slim brow pencil, and I'm just gonna be lining my brows. Okay, and then I'm going to fill in my brows now using the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Pomade. Using the Morphe Eyelid Primer in the shade Translucent. Using brush 45, it's like a small fluffy brush. To set the primer, I'll be using the shade Certified, guys, which is a matte, more like a matte cream shade. So I'm just packing that shade like really close to my brow bone. Brush number 33 shade here, guys, feeling myself, and I'm just going to be applying this above my crease. Okay, so the formula there a little bit powdery, guys, so making sure that you tap the excess. So it's a brush 32, just buffing those edges. Brush 34, which is no joke. Okay, I'm just going to be applying this just above my crease. Okay, on my outer corner, I'll be using the brush 40, Crazy, on my outer corner. Then be using the brush 48 to cut my crease. Brush 51 with Talia. Okay. That yellow glitter. Let's fix the blush just to give more pigment. Maybe it's better to apply with the finger. Okay, it's actually better to apply it with the finger, guys. That crazy shade. Gonna do, guys, I'll come back with the eyes later. So I'm just gonna do my face first. So with the primer, I'm using the Becca First Light Priming Filter in the purple. So I just feel like my skin's looking a little bit dull at the moment. A little bit of fallout with that glitter eyeshadow, guys, or shimmer, the glitter eyeshadow. So I highly recommend it for you guys to do your eyes first. Okay. Correcting concealer, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Orange. And I'll be using my Maybelline Superstay. Using my Maybelline Superstay 24-hour full coverage, and I've got it in the shade. So I got it in the shade soft beige and soft bronze. Using Jaclyn Hill brush number 03. I'll be using the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer, and in the shade light beige. Under eyes, I'll be using the Kat Von D translucent powder. My makeup, I'll be using my Stylish Fresh and Flawless in the shade darkest brown. Just be applying this under my eyes. Using that brush I use for transition shade. So I'm just pretty much using the same brush, the same brush and the same shades on my under eyes, and just going in with lighter to darker shades. Liner, I'll be using the Kat Von D tattoo liner in black. So I'm just be applying this as close as possible to my lash line. Apply my lashes off camera, guys, and I'll be back. Brush 42 Guys Gold, I'm in it. I'm just applying this on my inner corner, purple shade. I'm just gonna be applying that certified shade, which is just on my brow bone. The MAC Give Me Sun 11. So it's brushy, guys. So I'm just gonna bronze my face. Just gonna be like to contour my nose. So on my highlighter, I'll be using the e.l.f. Big Blush Moonlight Pearls brush 09. Very subtle highlighter, guys. 04, which is the angle brush, and I'm using the MAC Pinch Me, my favorite high-end blush at the moment, in the soft berry. This is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, and in the shade Matte Manhattan. This shade here, guys. Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to set my makeup. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's makeup look. Shadow guys are actually pigmented, so they've actually applied the same way when I did the swatches, and they're actually buildable, guys. So they're pigmented and buildable. And the only thing is they're a bit powdery, so making sure that you tap any excess before you apply the eyeshadows on your eyelid. With her original palette, which is the first palette, as you can see, these are the shades. Sorry about the eyeshadow is a little bit messy. I've actually been using this a lot. This palette, it's actually more like a more like a neutral colors. And the second palette's more a little bit of pop of colors on her eyeshadow palette. So if you guys looking for a more like a natural look, or a more like a neutral eyeshadow shades, I recommend it for you guys to get the first palette. Otherwise, if you like the color, if you like the color shades on her second palette, I highly recommend it for you to get her second palette. Brushes directly used in today's makeup look, guys. And these brushes are actually very soft, guys. These are just some of the brushes that I've used today. Please try this eyeshadow palette before. Please comment down below. I would love to hear your feedback, and please let me know what video you want to watch next. And thank you so much for everyone who's subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. See you guys next week for my last video for this month of June. And just making sure that you guys are tuned, because it's going to be very exciting to so it's very exciting for me to show my last video for this month of June for the YouTube creator that's got collaboration with a makeup brand. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Love you guys.